thought that something as basic as washing your face could go wrong? Believe it or not, it happens more often than you think, and people end up irritating their precious skin in the process. And now with the monsoon season making its grand entrance, it's time to step up our game and embrace effective and gentle cleansing. Hi guys, I'm Sanya and today I'm going to show you the ultimate cleansing routine in monsoon. But hold on, before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our BeBeautiful channel. And to ensure you never miss a beat, don't forget to ring the bell icon so you'll gain VIP access to all the juicy skincare tips and tricks your face could ever dream of. When it comes to cleansing, simplicity is key, especially during the monsoon season. Your face becomes a magnet for all the gunk in the air. Pollutants, dust and grime party on your skin, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. Ew, right? Which is why a gentle cleanser is what you should look out for during the monsoon season. A gentle cleanser kicks those impurities to the curb without stripping away your skin's natural oils. And hey, remember to choose a cleanser that's fragrance-free and alcohol-free too. Fragrance-free cleansers skip the irritating scents that can make your face go, oh no, not again. They let your skin breathe and avoid any unwanted drama. No redness, no fuss. Alcohol-free cleansers are like the gentle superheroes of skincare. They are gentle on the skin and do not strip away its natural oils. In fact, they ensure that your skin retains its essential moisture, leaving it hydrated and supple. If you're looking out for a cleanser with these two properties, then here's a great recommendation for you. It's the simple kind to skin refreshing facial wash. With no alcohol, artificial colors or perfumes, this gel-based formula has a blend of skin-friendly ingredients like vitamin E, provitamin B and triple purified water. It's like a refreshing splash of goodness that suits all skin types, including those with sensitive skin too. Okay, now let me show you how to cleanse like a pro. You might be thinking, oh come on, cleansing is a piece of cake. But let me tell you, we often overlook some crucial details. So let's break it down and get real about this cleansing business. Step 1. Tie up your hair. First things first, tie up those fabulous locks to avoid any hair-raising moments during your cleansing ritual. We want all the attention on your glowing skin, not tangled hair. Step 2. Wet your face. Now it's time for some splashy fun. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Doing so activates the cleansing magic. Avoid using hot water because, well, we're not trying to turn your face into a sauna. Step 3. Apply the cleanser. Grab that cleanser and get your fingertips or palm ready for action. Squeeze a small amount and gently massage it onto your face using those lovely circular motions. Start from the center and work your way outwards, overing your forehead, nose, cheeks and chin, showing every inch of your face some cleansing love. Take your sweet time, no rush. Step 4. Be gentle. Make sure to use light pressure and be gentle with your motions. Avoid scrubbing or harshly rubbing your skin as it can cause irritation. Step 5. Focus on problem areas. If you have specific areas of concern such as oily T-zone or breakouts, give those areas some extra attention. Spend a bit more time massaging and cleansing those regions to ensure thorough cleaning. Step 6. Rinse off the cleanser. And finally, splash your face with lukewarm water to rinse off the cleanser completely. Ensure all the traces of the cleanser are removed, especially around the hairline, jawline and nose. While my face is still wet, I dive into my scrubbing routine once a week. It's like a secret mission during monsoon to deeply cleanse my skin, bidding farewell to impurities, excess oil and buildup. But here's the exciting part. I choose a scrub that caters to my skin's unique needs. After my sun-soaked vacation, when my skin craves its glow back, I reach to my trusted companion, the Lakme Vitamin C Plus Scrub. Packed with amazing ingredients, it works wonders. Just scoop a small amount of scrub onto your fingertips or palm. Gently massage it onto your face using circular motions. Pay extra attention to those notorious areas around the nose and forehead where dirt loves to linger. Now let's talk about the fabulous ingredients in this scrub. First up, we have vitamin C, the superstar that lightens hyperpigmentation, fades brown spots, and evens out the skin tone, leaving behind a captivating radiance. Then we have licorice extract, an active compound that skillfully disperses the appearance of dark spots, revealing a more luminous complexion. And lastly, walnut shell powder takes the stage. It's a master at exfoliation, bidding farewell to dead skin cells and paving way for fresh and rejuvenated skin. Once you're done with the scrubbing process, it's time to bid adieu to the scrub. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, followed by a refreshing splash of cold water to tighten and protect those precious pores. Finally, gently pat your face dry with a clean towel and you're left with a refreshed, revitalized canvas. So guys, that was the ultimate cleansing routine for great skin in monsoon. I hope you liked it and are taking notes. Before we part ways, don't forget to spread the love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our BeBeautiful channel. And make sure to ring that bell icon to stay in the loop with all our exciting updates and notifications. Bye!